beginning of this video, you've seen a montage of us fixing the bike from yesterday. Now I'm gonna do a bike check. Hopefully the chain and stuff holds up. Might work on manual, so far it feels pretty good. So far. The hell through that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sketchy on them rocks right here. Oh my god. Almost held that, guys. I almost held it. So far the chain is staying tight. It's not coming off. I hope not. Oh. Like I said, my manuals work better when I was on the cement, and my handlebars are crooked too. Hopefully they're straight now. Nope. Now they're crooked back the other way. Man. Alright. Forget it. How straight is that getting? The old bike, like I said. If you're new to the channel, I like to ride BMX. And so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But it's hard to BMX whenever the bike is always constantly falling apart because it's so old. Yeah. Chain and stuff tight. Shouldn't go nowhere. Hopefully now I can ride more. But this was a little short video. A little update on the bike from yesterday's video. Just thought I'd show you guys. And from that first clip you seen, it was us fixing it. Getting the tire straight. Last time the tire was not straight. It was crooked. The front tire didn't fit right. It's kind of crooked. Hey buddy. So yeah, this is this video. End of this one. See you guys tomorrow for another one. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And please share this video with your friends.